YouTube? Boy out here with another video. Back from Vegas. Vegas truck invasion was lit. Shout out to everybody who was out there, said what's up, took a picture. For today's video, I'm gonna be cutting some plastic off the rear bumper because I had an incident on our way back from Vegas where the rear bumper got caught on something and it pulled out, and luckily it didn't fall out because I do have it attached with zip ties, but it just clips in. I'll show you. So these Denali rear bumpers hang kind of low and they have this cutout for a tow hitch. Obviously I don't have a tow hitch, but they're attached by clips all along that area, and then at the bottom they're just held on by clips. But I took the clips off and put a zip tie just so it can be a little bit stronger. And twice in Vegas the bumper got caught underneath here and it pulled out and it was just dragging and caused a hole in the bumper, more the plastic piece, because it was dragging. So today what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take it off and cut some of it off so in the future it doesn't get caught in anything, because I feel like it gets caught on slopes. Like at an angle it'll get caught on the concrete or on the street and then it'll just like want to pull out. So we're gonna do that today. The other thing is I'm gonna start looking for new taillights. So this taillight is not the original taillight for when I tinted the taillights. Story time. So it was the weekend before Vegas and I was just driving, came home and the taillight was gone. I was like, what the fuck? It just disappeared. Don't know where it went, don't know where it fell. I don't know. So had me rushing. I couldn't order any before Vegas because they were gonna be here before Vegas. So all I did was just try to look for someone local, see if they were selling any. I ended up finding someone who was selling one, or they were selling two, but I only need one. But obviously the one that they had, the one that I needed, the tabs to hold it in were broken. So I was like, fuck it, I'll make it work, we'll figure something out. So I bought it, painted it, made it match at least. And what I ended up doing was buying a 4-inch screw and have it go through the bed, through the headlight. So it's not attached in the tabs like it's supposed to be. It's actually drilled through all the way through the headlight. And that's the way I made it to Vegas. So, I mean, it worked. It didn't fall off or anything. Yeah, it looks a little bit crooked, but that's because it's not attached where it's supposed to be. But yeah, she made it, guys. So let's get started by removing this plastic piece.
Perfect.
So guys, I'm planning on cutting it maybe from here. Trying to cut all this off. See, I'm gonna start off a little bit, maybe right here, and just go across. See what that does, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. Test fit it, see what it looks like. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna be using this knife to cover the plastic. If that doesn't work, it's too hard, I might get off the grinder. Try doing that. As you can tell, I have that chunk already cut off. This much. Now I'm gonna put it back on the truck and see how this side looks. See if I need to cut any more. If I don't, then I'll just pretty much cut the same on that side. If I do need to cut more, I'll cut more on this side and then do that side. So let's test it out. Yeah, it's better already. I think I'm just gonna leave it that way. If I see it catches on anything else, I might cut more, but dude, looks good, guys. And I kinda hate how it looks ugly right here, but I don't think I can really do anything about that besides cutting more. Shape it off a little bit. That looks better already. So yeah, let's get that side cut and let's give this plastic piece a touch up because it's flaking. Alright guys, so we're done cutting. As you can tell, I cut all of this middle piece off. Now, all I gotta do is go through over everything with some sandpaper, get rid of some of this flaking, and then respray it. So yeah, let's get some of this flaking off real quick. Alright guys, so we're gonna be spraying it with this bed liner or bed truck coating. Just gonna give it that rough texture. You know, I don't want it looking glossy or too matte. Plus people are gonna be stepping on it, so there's no reason to put a nice gloss coat on it. So this should hold up. It gives it a nice tough texture. We're just gonna give it some even coats. Trying to make it look uniform. Yeah. Let's get it. I didn't worry too much about the flaking, just because it's gonna flake either way at the bottom. So just wanted the top part to look fairly good, which it does. I'm happy with it. So let's let this dry, and then we'll put it back on and see what it looks like. I also went ahead and might as well spray the step to the step side. And if you guys don't know, I am missing one of the steps. And I remember on previous video, someone had hit me up and said that they had one just laying around if I wanted it. I replied back to your comment, but you guys never hit me back up. So if that's you and you're watching and you have an extra step, DM me on Instagram, @OneSlowHD_bold or @DopeDeath, because I really need that step. I'm still missing it. So if that was you, or if any of you have an extra one just laying around, let me know. But yeah guys, I think this is pretty much dry. We'll go ahead and put it back on, see what it looks like. We'll put it back on. I think it looks way better now. Hell yeah, boy. zip tie at the end. Make sure it's holding it in. Hell yeah. I think that's way better. Now I won't be dragging everywhere. Let's go check out that step now. Step's all dry. Just gonna slap it on. So I am missing the driver's side. So like I said, any of you have a driver's side just laying around, hit me up ASAP. You don't know how stupid I feel driving around with one missing step. Looks way better though. Alright guys, well that's it for today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on those bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. If you guys haven't watched the Las Vegas Truck Invasion Part 1 and Part 2, they'll be at the end of this video. Make sure to watch those. Las Vegas was lit. A lot of burnouts, a lot of sick ass trucks. Unfortunately, I did not get into the burnout pit, but at least I went, right? But yeah, follow me on @OneSlowHD_Bulls. Also follow me on Dope Theft. And yeah, stay tuned guys. This truck ain't even close to being done. Not even close. Probably gonna do doghouse or front tubs next, because I want to start getting this truck ready for paint. So next year I'm gonna peel off all this wrap and start prepping the whole truck for paint, because if you guys don't know, it is mismatched underneath this wrap. It is not one color. I'm just gonna paint it white just to have a clean white paint underneath, because I am gonna continue to wrap the trucks, guys. Wrapping the truck is my favorite process because it gives the truck a whole new look and it's cheap. And I like having the truck look different, you know? I don't like keeping it the same forever. So I get the truck prepared for paint, have a nice clean paint, rock that for a couple months, and then get ready for a new wrap. If you guys want to see any specific color wrap, make sure you comment down below. Maybe I'll pick the color you ask. So yeah guys, have a good day. Peace.